Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Pretty Links Pro for cloaking affiliate links, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, hover over the Pretty Links option in the left sidebar. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, locate the License Key section. Open a new tab in your browser and go to the Pretty Links Pro website. Log into your account to access your license key. Copy the license key displayed in your account dashboard. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Paste the license key into the license key field under Pretty Links settings. After pasting the key, click the Activate button. Wait for a moment as the system processes your request. Once activated, you will see a confirmation message indicating successful activation. To ensure everything is working properly, navigate back to the Pretty Links menu. Check for any additional options or features that become available with your Pro version. Now, you're ready to start creating and cloaking your affiliate links with Pretty Links Pro. Return to the main Pretty Links screen to begin adding your links. Enter the URL you wish to cloak in the designated field. Customize your link slug for easier identification. Once completed, click Create to finalize the process. Your affiliate link is now cloaked and ready for use. Experiment with different settings to optimize your links for tracking and performance. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the Pretty Links Pro documentation for further assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Pretty Links Pro for cloaking your affiliate links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.